All right, this customer said this thing's making a bunch of metal grinding noises, and at a higher RPM, it sounds like a bearing of some sort. Now, I just pulled the transmission out. That's the flywheel falling off that just got put on a month ago. And this drill, it's a little impact drill. I shouldn't be taking bolts out like this. And none of this was touched. This is breaking news happening now. Should have at least had to break these loose before they would come off like that. And now, let's see what damages were done. Bring it in here. Look at these. Every one of them. And a little tight. Now, I'm going all the way around here. I have not touched them with a wrench. Obviously, I couldn't even get one on it if I wanted to. They're all mushroomed.